The container repair module is located within the agency section. For your container repair operations, the following options have been added to this area: Container Repair, Container Repair List, Repair Tariff List, Repair Tariff, Repair Cost List, and Repair Cost Definition. Steps to enter a container repair operation into the system. 1. Repair Cost Definition. First, a cost definition must be created for the repair. This is done via the Repair Cost Definition tab. After accessing it, click the search icon to view all previously entered cost types. If a new cost is needed, click the Transaction button in the top left corner and select New Cost. A screen will appear where you can define the name of the cost. After entering the general name of the cost, you must provide the code and prefix numbers that will be used. In the row number field, enter the sequence in which this cost should appear in the list. If the defined repair cost will be actively used, the active option must be selected. Once the main cost is defined, click the Add Tariff button to define specific tariff items under this cost. In the screen that appears, the parent field will automatically be filled with the main cost name. The remaining fields are the same: name, name TR, code, prefix, row number, and active. However, each tariff item must also be associated with an account code. In the Accounting Code field, select the appropriate expense item for this tariff. After saving, you will see this tariff listed under the main cost heading. 2. Repair Tariff Entry per Depot. After defining the costs, you must go to the Repair Tariff tab to create tariff entries for each depot. Click the search icon to view the previously defined tariffs by depot. To add a new tariff for a depot, click the Transaction button in the top left corner and select New Tariff. In the screen that appears, first select the depot where the tariff will be applied. Then select the main cost you previously defined. Set the start and end dates during which the cost will be valid for that depot. Enter the amount and VAT, if applicable. Similarly, enter the labor cost, VAT, if any, and estimated labor time. The system will automatically calculate the total. Select the currency in the Currency field. If the tariff will be active, tick the Active checkbox. You may also add notes and then save and review the tariff from the list. 3. Entering container repair costs. To enter repair costs for a container, use the Container Repair tab. On the screen that appears, click the search icon to see which repair tariffs have been applied to which containers. In the resulting list, by checking the status column, you can see whether the repair is completed or still open, and how many tariffs have been applied. If a repair is completed and needs to be closed, find your container in the list and click the icon on the far right. In the list that appears, select Close/Open. You can also update the container repair using the Edit and Delete options. When you select Close/Open, a window will appear where you can complete the action by choosing the appropriate status and adding a note. 4. Creating a new container repair record. To enter a new container repair record, click New Repair from the Transaction button in the top left corner. The system will take you to a screen where you can enter the repair information. After entering the container number, select the depot, the date the repair was detected, and any remarks. Use the damage status field to indicate the damage level. Enter the company responsible for the repair, the date repair will start, and any relevant notes. From the Add Cost button, you can enter expense items for the repair. In the screen that appears, select the necessary expense item, add a description, if any, enter the amount, quantity, VAT, if applicable, whether it is a purchase or sales expense, and select the currency. Then save. You can add multiple cost items. To edit or delete an added cost, click the icon on the far right of the entry. To define the status of the cost, click the icon again and choose Approve, Reject, Cancel. The status will be visually indicated in the list with color-coded alerts. 5. File upload for repair costs. The last section in the container repair screen is the File Upload Cost area. This allows you to upload documents, photos, or other files related to the repair. Select the file from your computer, choose the file status, add a description if needed, and save. Container Repair List, a summary table of all container repairs entered into the system. You can filter by container, depot, or damage status and export the list as an Excel file. Repair Tariff List, a detailed report of all defined container repair tariffs. Reports can be filtered by depot, main tariff name, cost item, and tariff name. Export to Excel is available. Repair Cost List. This list shows the status, general information, and usage counts of the defined cost tariffs. This concludes the description of the system update.